All right, so this is just an overview of the wiring that we put together for the Krayt Detonator. So this is a switch that we purchased. It has an LED in it. We've got it wired up to power the LED and then also act as a switch for our main power. And to do that, we had to reduce the voltage because this LED is 2 volts, and then the LED from the actual sounding alarm unit is a 12 volt LED, and we wanted to just wire this for power. And then we ran our power here from just a basic 9 volt battery to our DC power regulator. So we've got the power going in and then in, but we wired it through this board here. So essentially this just comes around and the in power goes through the switch. So the switch then controls whether we power the DC to DC regulator. And then we had to set the regulator using the switch here to be just under 12 volts. 11.75 was as close as we could get it. So then that ensures that there's a constant voltage. And then we have the power going out here. So it's going to go out to your LED for your 12 volt. And that's just straight power from the board. And then to make sure that we don't blow the switch LED, we're actually using a resistor here. This is a 560 resistor, and that's resisting the regular 12 volt on the other side going out to the switch LED. So with this, we're able to power both LEDs at the same time and have the power managed by this switch here. And so then when you flick the switch, the light on the actual switch will light up, and the light on the actual original sounding unit will actually light up too. And this one does have multiple LEDs inside of it, but this is all the original LED from the actual sounding unit, which we've actually got right here. And we started sanding off the logos and then covering up the hole that needed to be plugged with epoxy. Use tape on the back side to cover that up. So once we're finished, the switch will go through here and we'll have the light go through here. This is actually the original location for the LED, and there's plenty of room inside for the electronics.